If you are a coach and you're not on Substack yet, you are leaving money on the table, and I don't say that lightly. Here's the thing about coaches, whether you're a life coach, business coach, fitness coach, career coach, whatever your expertise is, you already have everything you need to build a thriving Substack. You have expertise, you have content, you have stories from working with real clients. You probably have freebies, blog posts, maybe a podcast, maybe even a book. The problem isn't that you don't have enough to say. The problem is that most coaches are stuck on platforms that don't convert followers into clients. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Substack works for coaches, how to use every feature on the platform to attract your ideal clients, nurture them, and turn them into paying customers for your coaching programs. Let's get into it. So first, let me explain why Substack is so unique for coaches, because it's not obvious at first glance. Well, here's the challenge most coaches face. You are great at what you do, you get results for your clients, but when it comes to finding new clients, you are stuck in one of two traps. Trap one is you're posting on social media constantly, you're trying to stay visible, but the algorithm buries your content, and the people who see it aren't necessarily buyers. Trap two is you're relying on referrals, which is great when it works, but unpredictable and hard to scale. What you actually need is a way to consistently attract the right people, build trust with them over time, and make it easy for them to say yes when they are ready to work with you. And that's exactly what Substack does. As a coach, your business runs on relationships, and the best way to build relationships at scale is through email. Think about it. When someone gives you their email address, they're inviting you into their inbox. That's a space they check probably every single day. That's a level of access you don't get on social media. On Instagram, maybe a few % of your followers see your posts. On Substack, your content lands directly in your subscribers' inboxes. No algorithm deciding whether they're worthy of seeing your work or not. And here's what makes Substack different from other email tools. It's not just an email platform, it's a discovery engine. People can find you through Substack's network, even if they've never heard of you before. You're not just sending emails to an existing list, you're growing that list through the platform itself. And here's what I love about Substack for coaches specifically. You don't need to start from scratch. Every piece of content you've ever created, your blog posts, your lead magnets, your podcasts, your book chapters, your social media posts, all of that can be repurposed on Substack, and there's no penalty for republishing. Substack doesn't care if you've posted something somewhere else first. You can take your best performing content from the last 5 years and bring it to a whole new audience. Most coaches are sitting on a goldmine of content and they don't even realize it. So now let me walk you through the specific features of Substack and how each one works for coaches, because the platform has a lot more than just newsletters. So the core of Substack is your long-form posts. These are essentially articles that get delivered to your subscribers' inboxes. For coaches, this is where you would demonstrate your expertise. You share your frameworks, you break down concepts, you can tell client stories, you give people a taste of what it's like to work with you. And unlike social media posts that disappeared within 24 hours, these articles live forever. A post you write today can attract new subscribers 6 months from now. Think of each post as a sales conversation you only have to have once. You write it, you publish it, and it keeps working for you indefinitely. Notes is Substack's short-form feature. Think of X or LinkedIn, but inside the Substack ecosystem. This is where you stay visible between your longer posts. You can share quick insights, you ask questions, you respond to what's happening in your industry. For coaches, Notes is perfect for bite-sized pieces of wisdom you're always sharing with your clients. The things you say in sessions that make people go, wow, I've never thought of it that way. Those can really be small nuggets. Take those moments and turn them into notes. Post consistently, ideally daily, and you'll stay top of mind with your audience while also reaching new people who are browsing the notes feed. And here's a feature most coaches don't know about: Substack Chat. It's essentially a built-in community space where your subscribers can interact with you and with each other. You can create different threads, host conversations, answer questions in real time, and be there for your audience. For coaches, this is incredibly powerful. You can build a sense of community without needing a separate community platform. Your subscribers feel connected to you and to each other, which increases loyalty and trust. And here's a strategic tip. If you enable a paid tier on Substack, you can even create exclusive chats for your paid subscribers only. This becomes a natural filter for your highest potential leads. The people willing to pay for access are usually the same people who would those will be open to investing into coaching. But that's still not all of it. Substack also lets you go live directly on the platform. For coaches, this is a game changer because you can host Q&A sessions, run mini workshops, do coaching, or just have a conversation with your audience. Live streams build trust faster than almost anything else. People get to see you in action, how you think, how you communicate, how you help. It's the closest thing to a discovery call without actually being on a call with an individual person. And the recordings of these sessions can stay on your Substack so people who missed it can watch it later on. Now here comes one of Substack's most underrated features. It's the recommendation network. When another creator recommends your publication, their subscribers see a short prompt to subscribe to you. It's essentially a built-in referral system. And for coaches, this means that you can team up with other creators who already have access to your ideal client. Maybe there's a newsletter that is similar to you but is targeting an audience that you are not reaching yet. And you can do recommendation swaps, guest posts, or collaborative content. This is how you tap into established audiences without having to build everything from scratch. Now, I just walked you through a lot of features: post, notes, chat, live streams, collaborations. And if you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now, I want to reassure you, you don't have to use all of this at once. The beauty of Substack is that all these features are there for you completely free whenever you're ready to use them. But you can start very simple. In your first week, you can just set up your publication and publish your first post. Maybe something you've already written somewhere else to make it simple. In week 2, you can start posting a few notes to get visible. In week 3, maybe you open up your chat and invite your subscribers in. You build one layer at a time. There's no pressure to do everything on day one. The creators who win on Substack aren't the ones who try to do everything perfectly, especially not from the start. It's the ones who start simple, stay consistent, and add new elements as they go. So don't let the number of features intimidate you. Let it excite you because it means you have room to grow. Now, if you are a coach watching this and you think, okay, I need to actually set this up, I've got something for you. I've put together a free resource called the Substack Starter Kit. It's a Notion dashboard that walks you through everything you need: setting up your profile, positioning your publication, writing your about page, and much more. It's specifically designed to help you get your Substack set up the right way on day one, so you're not guessing or wasting time figuring things out on your own. You can grab it for free using the link in the description box below. Alright, so now you understand the features, but let me address something I know a lot of coaches are wondering about as well. What if you already have an email list somewhere else? Well, here's the good news. You don't have to choose between Substack and your existing email platform. At Right Build Scale, we use Substack alongside Kit, and they work perfectly together. Substack is our discovery and growth engine. We publish content, post notes, and attract new subscribers through the platform's network. Then those subscribers feed into our broader email ecosystem where we have automations, sequences, and sales funnels. And you can do the exact same thing. Use Substack to grow your list, export your subscribers regularly, import them into Kit or Beehive or whatever you're using, and you get the best of both worlds. And if you don't have an email list yet, I'm sure you've been told 100 times that you need one. Every coach knows they should have an email list, but most coaches don't actually build one because it feels complicated. You need to pick a platform, set up landing pages, figure out lead magnets, connect everything together. Well, Substack removes all of that friction. You create a publication, you start writing, people subscribe, and that's basically it. You now have an email list. You can export those addresses anytime. You own them. It's your email list, even though you build it on Substack. You just build it in a very simple way. And if you've been putting off building your email list for months or years, Substack is hands down the easiest way to actually get started. So let me bring this all together. If you are a coach, here's what your Substack strategy actually looks like in practice. Your long-form posts are your authority content. Once a week, you publish something substantial that demonstrates your expertise. You should really be proud of this. This could be a framework you use with clients, a lesson you've learned, a case study, something that makes people think this person really knows their stuff. Then your notes are your daily visibility boosters. Those are quick insights, observations, questions, the things you'd normally share in a coaching session and most people never hear. This keeps you top of mind and attracts new subscribers who discover you through the feed. Your chat is your community, a place for your subscribers to connect, ask questions, and feel like they're part of something bigger. If you have a paid tier, your paid chat can be your inner circle. Those can be your warmest leads. Your live streams are your trust builders. Once a month, for example, you can go live, answer questions, and show people your thought process. You can let them know what it looks like to be coached by you. And collaborations are your growth growth multipliers. You can partner with other creators who serve your audience, do recommendation swaps, guest post on each other's publications, and gain more visibility. And here's how this becomes a client acquisition system. Someone discovers you through notes or a recommendation. They subscribe to your free newsletter, your Substack publication. They read a few posts, join your chat, maybe watch a live stream. They start to trust you. Then they upgrade to your paid tier. This could be $10 a month, $15 a month, totally up to you. Now they are in your inner circle. They're getting more access. They're seeing what it's like to be in your world. And when they are ready for more, when they want that deeper transformation, they might reach out to you for coaching, or they basically hop on when you launch your program. You didn't have to chase them. You didn't have to cold DM anyone. They came to you pre-warmed and ready to invest. That's the power of Substack for coaches. So if you are a coach and you've been wondering whether Substack is worth your time, I hope this video made it very clear. You already have the content, you already have the expertise. Substack is just giving you the platform to share it in a way that actually builds your business. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe because we post new videos every week about growing your audience and monetizing your expertise. And if you are a coach who wants help setting up your Substack the right way, or you want to accelerate your growth on the platform, we work with coaches one-on-one to build their Substack strategy and publication from the ground up. The link is in the description box if you want to learn more. Now, if you want to see a bigger picture of why Substack matters right now and why so many creators are making the move, watch this video next, where I break down the opportunity that's happening on the platform right now. I'll see you in the next one.